Ang expected salary ko is 50K and above.
50,000 to 100,000.
20,000 to 30,000.
Around 13 to 15K per cut-off.
Expected salary ko, may nakapag-hint sa akin na 80 per month starting daw.
50K and above po.
20 to 30,000, pwede na siguro.
And my expected salary rate after graduating is around 30 to 40,000.
18,000 to 25,000.
Nasa 25K.
Around 30 to 40,000. Expected salary in the cosmetics dentistry field is roughly 50,000 to 100,000 or above. So, yun ang gusto kong field in dentistry as well as oral surgery and orthodontics.
Ang expected salary ko is 50K and above po. Naiisip ko pong parang kuning specialty or field po is vision therapy naman po.
My expected salary is 20,000 to 30,000. And yung gusto kong maging work soon is in marketing department also.
Siguro depending on the work. Pero usually kasi ang expected salary is around 13 to 15K per cut-off. Nasa fine arts ako this college, pero parang veering towards dance industry yung pupuntahan ko. Tapos ang gagawin ko na lang is freelance ng designs or like artworks and stuff.
15 to 30,000. The field that I want to try is at least marketing research or at least banking industry.
Expected salary ko, may nakapag-hint sa akin na 80 per month starting daw. Actually, gusto ko po talaga mag-business muna.
Upon graduating, my expected salary would be around 25 to 30,000. And the field that I want to go would be definitely corporate world since it's aligned with my degree.
Course ko po is optometry and expected salary ko po is 50K and above po. Gusto ko po sana maging optometrist.
My expected salary, I think, would be 18,000 to 22,000. Currently kasi nasa field ako ng accounting, pero hindi ko siya gustong i-pursue kasi as a working student ngayon, nasa field na ako ng public service.
20 to 30,000, pwede na siguro. Kung papagpalain po ako sa esports, baka mag-esports na lang po ako. Kung hindi naman, accounting field na lang talaga.
My expected salary rate after graduating is around 30 to 40,000. And ang gusto kong field is yung sa sports rehab. Kasi interesting kasi siya. And right now, ayun yung nasa interest ko. And after graduation, hopefully, yun yung makuha ko. And talagang maging ganun yung sahod ko. Kasi sports rehab is really a good field din naman after graduating. And talagang kilala rin siya and in demand din siya after graduating.
My expected salary is 18,000 to 25,000.
What field would you want to take after that?
It's either e-com or marketing field.
So my expected salary po is nasa 25K if ever. And I want to work sa hospital setting po.
My expected salary after graduation is around 30 to 40,000. I'm still torn between food and beverage and trying my passion in sports po.